this. Oh, I was so fucking close. Alright, okay, for real this time. Okay, for real this time. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, I'm so hungry. I just want this cookie. Ah, how do people do this? Oh, it's so easy up until the end. So's life. Get off my nose, you bitch. I'm trying to use my nose as a ramp. Wow, wow, wow. The cookie is soggy from how close it has gotten. I'm so sad. Okay. I got distracted by anime. Okay. Back to the business. Cookie down. Oh, I found it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I keep making the same mistake, but there's nowhere else. There's nowhere else. This is hard. Maybe if I like. Ooh. If I like. Oh, is there a cookie in my eye? Oh, that'll be really. Oh, that'll be painful. I'm just gonna ignore it. Is that how I've been looking the whole video? Is this considered cheating? Just you and me. Is this how I've looked the whole time? I don't think I'm gonna do this anymore. I don't want to give up though. Has anyone actually successfully got a cookie in their mouth by doing this? This makes my nose look so big. Nah, it's fine. Did anyone else hear that? Ah, you fucking... I can't do it. Maybe another day. I failed.